Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is also an update for Firefox today. Firefox browser has been updated. If you go to the upper right hamburger menu and go into Help and About, Firefox to version 139.0.4. Now, what's in here? There are a few bug fixes. One about the browser crashing or freezing when you're actually using a web app and then you transition to a standard web page. There's also a browser problem with the menus sometimes that are kind of difficult to go and choose anything in some of the contextual menus or the regular menus on the web pages, and a few other little flaws that are fixed also. Now, what's interesting, there is also security updates. So it's important to update to 139.0.4. There are 3 high severity security flaws, one in Canvas, and there's another one in the hash table. And so this means that, there's there don't seem to be any 0 days or anything exploded in the wall, but there are 3 high severity security flaws, which means they're kind of easy to exploit. So for security reasons, not just because it's crashing, it's also important to apply this update for Firefox browser today. So it's really a big Tuesday of security on all fronts, with even Firefox and Chromium browsers also having updates for security. So check it out, and you'll be moved on to 139.0.4 if it's the latest update for Firefox. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.